I'm gonna make a video of this, dude. So we're gonna pop a S185 here. My friend says his little skid's got a small hydraulic leak, so we're gonna pop the cab. Looks like there's 2 bolts. One down here, and then one right here, and then the cab should tip up. One of the things, definitely make sure there's nothing that you're gonna lose when you tip it up. So we'll get at it here, and hopefully that's what we need to do. And yeah, we'll watch it. Again, this is one S185, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks, guys. I'll get it back. Right now, it looks like it's you want the shorter one of those?
Yeah, shorter extension.
Looks like it's a 19 millimeter, and a little short extension to reach up in there. We're putting on a breaker bar. I don't know if we got a impact to hit it speed-wise, but it's definitely for the S185. That's a 19 mil, wherever I can't see I'm doing from backwards. So we'll be able to hit it. And I'll get both of those. And I'll get it out of his face. But yeah, you see where it's going. So yeah, those 2 bolts, they look like they have the square locks on them. Again, 19 millimeter. Get them off of there. And then it popped up. And there's your latch. I believe that's the latch. To take it down, I'll check on it, but you can lift the cab all the way up to the locks. And now we're going to dig into it and try to find this hydraulic leak. Hopefully it's something little and not a hose with a pin leak in it or something. Hopefully we could get a good tattletale, but yeah, I'll get back at you. Thanks. So we think we found a leak. We get a little flat, but so here's the way to pop it up. So take the pressure off. Go ahead. Hit your stuff there, bud. All right, looks like it's coming down, right? Perfect. Look at that. Watch your fingers. I'm going to let her down nice and easy. And since this machine has only a few hundred hours on it, it took a second to pop it up because all the seals are super duper tight. And now we'll just put our square locks on it and the bolts back, and hopefully we're good to go and go out and have some fun. Got 6 inches of snow possibly coming. He feels like snow blowing. Smart man. Sitting inside a cab. Thanks, guys.